Hey guys, Alex here. I'm just west of Wilson subway station here in North York, the north end of Toronto. This here is Wilson Avenue, and this on the right is Billy Bishop Way, and on the left is Transit Road, which will take you to the Wilson subway and bus complex. So you have to go there, and then for TTC employees, that's where you gotta go. But you'll also get a cool view of the yard if you're driving on Transit Road. And this here is the Downsview Municipal Airport. So I'm gonna walk into Wilson Station here, and just like I've done with other videos, I'll take a walk through because I love to explore the stations in the system. So we're just north of Yorkdale Mall and the Highway 401. So this here is a big plaza with a Home Depot, a Michaels, and a Best Buy. This here, where all these new buildings are, this here used to be a parking lot where you could actually see the Toronto skyline, but now these things have been here for like, I think 2 to 3 years. And you got like small stores like Moore's, a pet store. There's also A&W and Jollibee, a Filipino fast food place that's been appearing in Canada recently. Yeah, we're gonna take a quick tour of Wilson Station. It was equipped with elevators recently, and it has a pretty interesting bus platform as it has 2 levels. There's the passenger pickup and drop off. And I remember watching these condos grow up or being built for the past couple of years, and now we're gonna see this one. And fun fact, Wilson Station used to be the northwestern terminus of this line. It opened in 1978, as you probably may know if you're a transit fan like me. And then it got extended one stop to the north at Downsview Station in 1996, but that station changed its name to Sheppard West to avoid a naming conflict with one of the new stations on the Vaughan extension. I know you guys love my transit videos and when I explore stations, so here's another station exploration for you. Look what it says here: transit heroes work here. Together we'll get there safely. And I remember I think back in 2017, I remember when they had to close the entire bus terminal, and because they were resurfacing the road, and the bus terminal, well, the temporary bus terminal will be at the parking lots at the east side of the station. So right there. Look at that. And that's the subway that's being so loud. But we're gonna go in anyways. There's the new elevator, but we're gonna take that on the way back from the bus terminal. Looks like they're doing some work on the escalator, and they're playing a pretty familiar song here that I haven't heard in quite a while. I really like when the TTC displays like detailed information when it comes to like maps and routing, stuff like that. There's some pretty half-assed art here at the station. There's a new elevator. There's another exit. I don't know where that. Oh yeah, that takes you to the passenger pickup. It used to be called Kissing Ride. And the newer elevators tend to smell much cleaner than the older ones. That's level 2. And there's level 1. I can't hear what the lady is saying on the PA announcer. I mean on the PA system, sorry about that. Now look, you can get a good view of the interchange between now and the 401. Look, there's the CN Tower. The Financial District in Warren Bloor East. Sorry, I'm just trying to put my sunglasses away. Yeah, sorry for my awkwardness of like me holding my phone. Driver just opened his door for no reason. I don't really like the art that was placed here. It just makes no sense. It's pretty pointless. There's a map of the station terminal. Another detailed map of the system. So this is a lower level. Here's where I entered the station. I mean, it's Monday morning and the station's actually still kind of quiet. I'm gonna head downstairs and back up to the concourse where I'll then head to the subway platform. What the hell? I couldn't hear what he was saying, but I think there was an earlier delay on line 1. Okay, let's ride this elevator here, which will take us to the concourse. I love the smell of a brand new elevator, you know? It's very clean. There's the bus terminal. Their entrances are actually exits to get to the east side of the station. Like through there, for example. and over there. This Gateway newsstands here is closed. And I remember getting beef patties from this place here back in the 2010s. That's catch this elevator here. There used to be a collector booth over there. And there's washrooms here at the station. The signage here on the stations is quite useful, at least in some stations. And I hear a train rolling by. And will that be the one I want? Let's see. Probably not. Oh, it is. It is. I'll just wait for the next one. But yeah, we just took a ride on the brand new elevators here at Wilson Station. Always loud in this part. Oh man, next train's in 7 minutes. Just look back at the when the next one's coming. Oh. Oh. I know what to do now. But I'll just oh look. See how ATC is so reliable? The next train would arrive in just 30 seconds. But the northbound train was coming pretty slow. Maybe there's a slowdown on the line. Yeah, here's a good look outside from the station. So this train will go overground. Actually, it'll be elevated because it will pass over the highway. Always love looking out at that view. But I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate your support on the channel. May do weird things, but I always try to bring you guys great content. Despite that I sometimes swear and get a bit vulgar. I'm like that sometimes. Maybe my personality will change, but thanks for watching, guys. See you all in the next one. Peace out.